Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers. I'm Jason Chapman, and today I have the pleasure of showing you a brand new 2023 Harris 250 Solstice. It's an absolutely beautiful boat here. This is a tri-tune, 25 foot in length. Up here in the bow, with a Solstice, you get a rounded bow and a lot of room up here on the deck. We do have our stainless steel flip-up cleats throughout the boat. Taking a look at the side here, this is the midnight blue, and it's paired with the black powder coated fence railing. And then up at the top, we have the lights on. This is an electric bimini top. So you're gonna press the button and it's gonna go up with ease. And then taking a look back here at the stern, we have a big extended swim platform here. Safety railing, we'll go over that more when we get inside the boat. Our ski tow bar for all your water sports, and this is powered by a 300 Mercury outboard. So plenty of power when you're on the lakes. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. We're gonna start here on the stern of the boat and then make our way inside. Right off the bat, I mentioned this on the exterior, but we have tons of room on this extended swim platform. We have our safety railing up so that you can have passengers ride back here legally when you're underway. And tons of storage on the boat throughout, underneath the cushions. And then right here is gonna be a built-in cooler that self-drains. We do have two transom remotes back here to control the music, 12 volts, and then spots to plug in your phone with those USBs. This is optioned with a rear-facing lounger, so this moves in a couple of different positions right here. You can sit back and watch what's going on behind the boat. And then our upholstery, this is gonna be the French gray pillow top, and then the gray seagrass right here. So it's gonna stay cool and easy for you to clean. L-shaped seating right here, plenty of room to entertain. This boat's rated for 14 passengers, so it's gonna be a great setup for your friends and family. And then at the helm, it's gonna be a raised helm. Right here, we have the high back seat that does swivel and adjust. Over here, we have our controls for the electric bimini top for all your lights. And then we also have a couple of Simrad display screens right here. So right now it's set up with all of your engine vitals, so RPMs, fuel level, water temperature, etc. And you can switch this up in a couple of different ways. So you can have your chart plotting on here. You've got your Harris app right here too, so you can control the exterior and interior lights. You can also cycle through these and then make it different colors. So it's a very versatile system right here. You've got cup holders, and again, this has the 300 on the back, so we have the digital throttle and shift. It's gonna make life a lot easier. It's gonna shift into gear really smoothly. And then on the Solstice here, this is powered by a gel audio. So you're gonna have upgraded sound quality on here. And then making our way up to the bow, we have tons of room right here. Harris does a great job of maximizing their space in their third tri-tune. We have our ski locker down below, great spot to put all your belongings. And then all of our pontoons do come with a cover as well. Again, tons of storage underneath these seats. These do come up on hinges, so they're not falling all over the place. This is a 2023 Harris 250 Solstice. It's located here at our store in Rogers. Come on by and check this out. Give us a call. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.